Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. So on this session, we're going to be analyzing the market together and, looking for entry as always. Okay. So I'm already analyzing this market. Okay. But I'm feeding this to my premium members. Right. And if you want to get this, go and fund your account. Okay. If you've already funded, don't worry. You're going to be added to the premium group. Just have patience. If you haven't found the account, go and fund the account. Come and make money with us. All right. Just a second. All right. Okay. So let's go on with the activity of the day. Um, let's start our analysis from the upside. Okay. So as usual, guys, if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Okay, let me know. So we took some trades during our morning session, and they both gave profit. Though the first one gave a very small profit, then the second one, we actually took good profit from there. So, um, if you want to get, you know, a better trade entry, come and join our premium group. Come and join where the real cocoa is happening. Okay, join us on the premium group. Come and make the real, come and see the real signal, right? Come and join us where the real signal is being given out. So here we have AUDCAD, Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. All right. So you see what happened here, and the market just keep rolling to the downside. So right now, there's no entry. Okay, there's no entry for us because on this kind of trade, it is better to look for downtrends. Okay, so since this is heading to the downside, you see we have a trend line that is facing downward. Okay, a trend line channel, this one and the second one. So they are both facing downwards. Yeah. So it's better to look for sell opportunities. And right now, there's no sell opportunity. Okay, there's no sell opportunity here. So here we can look out for, an opportunity to sell to the downside. But since there's no opportunity here right now, it's better to just leave this and look for another entry. All right. Let's go back to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, this movement is over. See, the movement got off from this area. So let's delete this. See, okay, the market came down. Right. So if this goes above this area, we buy. Okay, we continue to ride it to the upside. But if it doesn't, we sell. So let's go back to 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Okay, so let's just see what happens. Okay, with the scenario that is playing out here, right? With the scenario that is playing out here, I think this market is going to continue to go upward, and the reason is because we have this area. Okay, so right now let's look for sell opportunities instead of buy. Let's look for buy opportunities rather instead of a sell. I think this market is going to go back up. But before then, let's just wait for this to break this area. Okay. So once it does and closes above, then we buy. We ride it to the upside. So this is one of the trade we took this morning. I guess. Okay, now I took this personally, and it gave me profit around this here, around this area. Okay, so let me just delete everything here. In case you don't understand this, these are trades I took, and they gave me profit from here to this area, take profit from here to here, take profit from here to here, take profit. From this here to this area, take profit, and from here to here, also take profit. Okay, so I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades only on AUDNZD, and they both gave me good money. Guys, stop playing. Come and join my premium group. Okay, so let's make analysis on this, and let's see. Okay. Let's go to lower time frame. Okay, so now we want a candle here to close below our moving average. Okay, so that way we are able to spot entries. Okay, let it just close below. Then we take our entry and close here. Guys, go and get your account ready. Okay, go and get your account ready. We are about to get our first entry. Okay, so let's see if this is going to hold. So let's go to 3 minutes time frame, right? So we want to get a rejection on the 3 minutes. Once we get a proper rejection on the 3 minutes, and these moving averages, they crosses um, each other, then we take a sell trade. Guys, get your accounts ready. You can go to your account and stay on AUD NZD. Okay. So when it is time, I'll just call out the trade. Right. So get your account ready, guys. Okay. So let's just wait for it. Let's allow it to do its things. Right. Let's allow the market, do its magic, and then we will take the opportunity of whatever it is that it's doing. So right now the market is still making its move to the upside. So when we get a proper rejection, we will then take the opportunity. So guys, get your account ready. Go to AUDNZD, okay, and set for my instruction. What we want to see here is just a rejection candle. Okay, so once we get the rejection pattern, we take a sell entry. You see the candles are already crossing each other, the moving averages. So if you want to get the setting for my moving average, come and join my premium group. I will even teach you how to use it. It makes scalping very sweet and very easy. Okay, so the candle is closing. Guys, go to NZDAUD. Just 1 second more. Okay, let's sell AUDNZD. AUDNZD sell. AUDNZD sell now. AUDNZD. Sell now. AUDNZD. Sell now. All right. Okay, so let's just give this a little moment. Let's see how it goes, all right? Let's just give it some times. This is the 3 minute time frame. So when it gets to this area, we are going to close some profit, right? For those that has multiple positions open, when it gets to this area, I am closing my position. But if it goes above this area, if it goes to this area, then we'll just close and accept our loss and look for another entry. Okay, so we're already making little profit. Let's just give this little more time, all right? So when it gets here, we are closing positions. Okay, guys, let's close our position. That went against us. Okay. The market is breaking even right now, but I can't guarantee that the market will come down. So I think we should close this, though I'm still going to wait for the market to come above this area before I close mine. Um, okay. Okay, so I'm going to close position right now because the candle body closed above that area. Okay, so as a trader, you need to have rules and regulations. Okay, so don't just place trades and then just because you're scalping, you don't have a take profit or a stop loss, and then you just allow your trade to just run anyhow. Okay, maybe you don't close when you're supposed to close, you just allow the trade to go on. So it's very important you have, rules. So you see, immediately when this happened, I said, let's close the trade. And you see what happened next? The market went uh, up against us, right? And you see, so let's look for another entry. Okay, let's look for another entry. All right. Okay. Okay, so right now, let's wait for this to come back to this area, right? Then we can take a sell entry from here and write it down to the downside. So it's already approaching the level. Let's just hold on a bit and allow it to get to this area. So let's go to 3 minute time frame where that is going to give us, a fast entry. So I figured since this is going up, why not just ride it to the upside? Then when it gets to the area where it's going to turn, we then ride it down to the downside also. Yes. So we have everything ready here. We have our rejection here, guys. Buy AUD USD. AUD USD. Let's buy the pair right now. AUD USD. AUD USD. Buy now. Okay, so we have a running trade. Let's just leave this to run for a while. Okay, so we are currently on the 3 minute time frame. Let's see how that goes. So if it goes below this area, we close the trade. So this trade is already running, all right. If you didn't get the opportunity to buy, we are buying. But if you want to buy, allow it to close above this area. Or don't worry. When it comes above this area, I'm going to tell you to buy. Okay. But if you are already inside the trade, then just hold. We are buying right now, and the market is already, moving. Remember, if it goes above this area, we close the trade. Okay. But if it comes to this area, we take our profit. Our trade is still running. We have a buy position from here, and the market is currently giving us a drawdown. Until this market comes to this area, we are holding. Okay. And it's going towards our entry level right now. So let's just give this a little more time. So we have a minor zone around this area that's pushing the trade to the downside. If this doesn't close above this line, let me just draw out a line here. If it doesn't close above this line, then we close the trade, okay, and take our small loss. So it's remaining just 1 minute and a few seconds to the end of this current candle. So if it doesn't close above this line, we close with the small loss. All right. So there's a zone there that is pushing the market to the downside on the lower time frame. So a few seconds more. So hopefully it closes above. Once we get a close above, then we are going to leave the trade. But if it doesn't close above, we're just going to close this and wait for another entry. 4 seconds more. Okay, guys, let's close this trade. Let's break even. Okay, so break even means we didn't profit, we didn't lose. Right? Okay, so let's look for another entry. Right? I don't want us to stay on the market that would later go into loss. Okay, so it's better once you know market is behaving that way, it's better to just leave the market, look for another profitable market. Okay, so you don't waste your time and energy on a trade that is still going to go against you. Okay. All right. So let's look for another setup. So you see the market is still consolidating on the lower time frame. Okay, AUD USD is still consolidating on the lower time frame. So you see, we could have been wasting our time there if we stayed on the pair. So whenever you are on a pair and the pair is not giving you what you wanted, just leave the pair, look for another one. Right? We have so many markets in forex trading, so look for another one to trade. Do not stay with just one pair and allow it to waste your time. Okay. So we have this area where I think the market is going to get to this area, right? So if this close, if it comes down to this area and closes above, then we take a buy entry. Okay, hopefully before the end of our session, because right now we have just few minutes. Okay. Okay, I think this is going to continue to sell to the downside. So let right now, since we have this area, it's not advisable to, right? It's not advisable to take a buyer entry here when this had already happened. Okay, so let's just wait and see where the market is going to make a reversal back. Then we can take an entry from there, right? Uh, but unfortunately, it's already 30 p.m. and as you've known already, our live stream is scheduled for just 1 hour. All right. So, but no worries. Tomorrow is another day. That is why I always advise you guys to come and join our premium group. Okay. So, on the premium group, it doesn't have to be limited. All right. So, there you get all of these firsthand. All right. You get to take trade. You get to do all of these. All right. So, it doesn't have to be just on the live stream alone. If you join the premium group, you get signals every time. Okay. I dropped the signal just few minutes ago, and we are still in profit. Okay, on our premium group. So if you want to join us, go and fund the account with at least $10. Now, remember, $10 will get you into the premium group for 14 days. That's 2 weeks. $15 will get you into the premium group for 30 days. That's 1 month. Okay, and $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month, and you also have the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so if you have okay, sorry. Okay, so $200 package will get you into our premium group for 1 month, and then you also have the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so on that session, I'll teach you how to scalp, I'll teach you trading, I'll teach you everything that you need to know about forex market. All right. So right now, this is how the forex market works. Even though you have, you know, everything is not going to be 100%. Sometimes you fail. Sometimes you're not going to lose some trade. Sometimes you're going to make some trade. But the most important thing is to always make, good profit. Okay, and make sure to optimize your losses. All right, your losses. Even though you are losing, make sure you are not losing too much. All right, that is the soul of a profitable forex trader. All right. So guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.